Don't use your east side. Click clack.
Rascal, no! Bumbuckle bell, no! The man them bring out the cutlass them already, people and the video just start. The video boom! What's good reaction gang? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. And guess what, people? Your reaction says a lot. Merch I drop on 10,000 subscribers, so get 10k right now. If I'm drop it tomorrow, I can drop it tomorrow anyways. But yeah, me and Sada man, we have Toxic featuring another person. I'm not gonna spoil this person's name. G girl take what? Alright, yeah, me and the people of Montana, official music video. It's a Grenadian song. So for all the Grenada people on the channel right now, I want to say big up yourself. Thank you for the love and support from everybody from Grenada. Comment on this video right here, so to see your comment in the next video. On my post, I will post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. This is the third video of the day, and you know what to go already now. You know what to go already now. Like the video before you're watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. You understand me? Bro, God, big up yourself, bro, God. Yeah, run tune here, man. This is a Grenada song. We don't know for expect. The first one, a blade. Cutlass. Be a cutlass. The second one, I don't know the name again, dog. Real boom boom. Them girls, they go on bad. Them a clap the cheeks. Hey, no, run tune, no face from now on. Disclaimer, this music video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. And guess what I'm for say? No cutlasses was armed you in this video. Well, I'm not sure no cutlass day night. Still about what I say. Go on.
Let's go.
Montana.
Yo, Noah X.
Big up to Noah X, you understand me? Thank you for giving me them training them. Yeah, more training that. Give me them Grenada reaction, yeah. Them Grenada music, yeah. You know? Thanks for putting them up on the platform. Make reaction boss find them, because we're ready for them now. Run tune.
Who sent and use your east side? Click clack.
Rascal, no! Bumbuckle bell, no! The man them bring out the cutlass them already, people, and the video just start. The video just started, the man them bring out the video. Yo, people, if you want to watch this video right here, so, without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you're here for, link to the original songs down below in the description. But you hear from my reaction though. So run tune no man.
Yeah. Shut up, wash your face, make boy do the limbo, seek and crazy madman.
Hold on. We got a rapper now out of Grenada. We got a rapper in Grenada now. They must shut up bust your face, make boy do the limbo. Shut up bust your bumbuckle bell face, make boy do the limbo, people. What am I gonna do when bumbuckle like taxi run upon them? I name taxi, right? Me no know. I'm them taxi. Run tune!
Cause you know how the thing go. Cutlass guns, no face like Kimbo. Slice them
Cutlass guns, no face like Kimbo. Voila, what? Why am I going to do this to myself? I know it doesn't matter how many times I go back in the song, I'm not going to hear what the person says. So could you please comment what he just said, yo? But let me try and get it done.
Cause you know how the thing go. Cutlass guns, no face like Kimbo.
Cutlass guns, no face. Oh boy, bumbuckle belt, man. Tyrekevlogs reaction boss. Run tune, yeah, man. I don't really run through it.
Them up blood splash like water. Real man things send the boy to the father. Big up God.
Them man outside. Them man the little zinc fence people. Watch them man. Them man the little weed of the zinc fence people. Them man the outside with the cutlass them people. Look at people. Watch them man them. Simple beats. Out the road. Man school time out and up on the corner street you people. Look when them man the go and tune.
Slice them up blood splash like water. Real man things send the boy to the father.
Yeah.
Big up God. Big up Jimbo.
Man I look weed on the roadside. But you guess how go on. You see them man the video edit real bad. The man them say your blood go splash like water people. And guess what you see? You see water on the screen. The man say we shoot and say to the father people, you see one gunshot effect on the screen. Grenada, you think large? Run tune!
Dog them know how the right to me evil like Montana. Extreme man the empire.
Yes, them man say evil like Montana people. The man say evil like Tony Montana. I'm for your vibes cartel. Yo! What land they at? Need look at AC in that system. You hear me, I said, man? Run! No, hold on. Why? What do you mean? But man, no for have them titty thing. Why? Run through. Let's look at the part there.
Sling and gunshot fire. Run road axe any damn tire.
Yeah.
No me evil like Montana.
Bumbuckle. Hold on. Yeah, say every single man ever last. Yo, it's less a career. It's less a trader or something over Grenada the dog. Because if you never last, you come and say, yo, you're not bad man. You need a last in a Grenada to prove your badness. A last badness, them man I say, run tune.
Fire, sling and gunshot fire. We run road axe any damn tire. Knife in a belly, X-team dead.
What that? Are them sign that? Are them sign that X? Are them sign that? What other man name? Hadojahnyi. Hadojahnyi? Hadojahnyi? Hadojahnyi. Why am I spoiling the person's name? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. It's just your name is hard to pronounce for me. Okay, let's go.
Wicked, most of them belly see the chicken and shoopies. Toxic badness, so 25 movies.
Toxic badness. I'm gonna go back and hear what you say, bro. God, so you know, man, if it's grime with it, you know, like me, see somebody we have a buck like kerchief around them next, so yo, I saw bomb, right on.
See the chicken and shoopies. Toxic badness, so 25 movies. Could last long than the hair pan coolies.
Remember them man a youth, them man the badness toxic. Them man gonna chop you up with the last them people. And yeah, my love chat if you just say it. Just I find my love chat. That's how I name the reaction, boss. And that's how I'm with the 9,000 subscribers right now. I tell you now, today, me I reach 9K subscribers today. And by next week, with the 10K. But if it doesn't happen, people, which is gonna happen by the way, I'm just fucking around. The aim and the goal for this year is 10,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to the boss channel right now and support little Jamaica, boy.
They freeze like police. Tot in the clip, be a bullet. Jelly a fly.
I see something, bro. I see something, bro. You notice with my Trinidad reaction, them right? Them man they have some big old long bumbo cleat chain like me know what. I wish slave master them man who, but I be a chain. Look man, bro, God. Fantastic. 2 little chain. Yeah, which is right. Me have 1. Reaction boss. 1. Run tune.
Wash your face, make boy do the limbo. Seek and crazy madman
Bimbo.
Can this ex cause you know how the
Dingo. Yo, this is like say some friend on the street, dog, and they must come out the door, dog, and just do them thing. I edit and put it out to the world, dog. You understand? In Jamaica, think he can so, yo, if you have links and them bumbo clat thing, the dog, you think now I'm gonna go on, I try to wash here, man.
Like him, slice them up, blood splash like water.
Yeah.
Things any boy to the father.
Yeah, hold on. Your last shot, so dog. Hold on, why your last shot? Look on the one on the black with the right of the column. Look a shot last. Actually, look a shot last. You're not shot now. Look a shot last. You walk with dog. You have to have a turn up last, them brother. Yeah, like the one there. We call that one there. Bumbo cleat them last them outside. Let's see them 2 last say call them last now. They call them last they call them last you have choppy one and choppy few. You see me I say go on look.
Fire, cutlass fling and gunshot fire.
Oh, let him say. Come on, Bumbo cleat now. You know that's all like the say now. Cutlass fling and gunshot fire. Bumbo class the man go see you say fling a cutlass after your blood clean. I say cutlass fling and gunshot fire. Go on me you say after that now. No, I get it, you know. I get it, man.
Road axe any damn tire. Right now me evil like man.
Tire.
X-team man the empire.
Alright. Let me see if we can get it and keep. Hold on, chop with Karen. Tell me say chop with Karen in the background. Make sure say chop with Karen in the background. Make sure. But me here say now.
Just fling and gunshot
fire.
We run road axe any damn tire.
We run road axe any car tire. Bumbo clean. But what lighter there? Where the bumbo clean lighter there? Reaction boss outside. That's how you get it, people. That's how you get it. Like the video, like the video. If you still watch your reaction, big up your bumbo bell self. Comment be a fire emoji in the comment section right now. And anyone in the Caribbean that come from people, comment your flag right now in the comment section. You understand? Run tune.
She's a man never left him sharp those safis. I you say love boss black young boss with the kids.
Well, so I never get me when him start over that verse. When you start over, we can start over that verse. Go on.
Him sharp those safis. I you say love boss black young boss with the K with the scope on top.
You hear that? You must see have the K with the scope on top. Same can style. Youth, don't mess with the man from Grenada. If you ever this a man from Grenada, blade, bumbo clat. If you ever tell him got them mother. Blade, yo, that song them bad dog. That song they go leave. Yo, that song them now go forget that song the dog. Hey, brother, what him name? I want to brother the name dog. I want to remember the man name to blood clean dog. Go on.
Hardo and get gunshot. Taxi queen a play bad. Run up on them with me cutlass dog.
Bumbo clown, run up on them with him cutlass. La 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 la. Well, let me see if song there so. The blade song there. Okay, so some next Grenada artist that D1. Me see no comment that one there to me. I go message him next day. Contagious. If you ever is a man from Grenada, blade, bumbo clean that the Grenada man them bad dog. Go on.
Rip up them face like paper bag. Make them for claps, give me a watch. Come evil like Montana.
Yeah. song, but some basically don't still know people. So I repeat the chorus again, but they don't know. So the video me I watch anyway, so I'm not going to me have to watch it with and see what I go on and find stuff to chat about. Yeah, till like I look at the weed in that man mouth. You see me? I reaction boss now for the least good thing we talk about over here, so you know what I mean? We don't know chap already, you know. You want to find the least good thing we chat about over here, so I'm like call him now, but film fit over here up on the left side. You see me? I say I would never wear that fit. But go on, you don't know chap for anything we talk about over here, so. Man, them say gunshot, cutlass sling and gunshot fire. We on the road ask any car one buckle tire. You mean Grenada? Oh you mean? Oh you mean? Outside. Yeah, Grenada. Fuck up the road. Go on with the road, Grenada. Go on with the Bumbuckle road. But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess like the video people. Woo! Bop, 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 bop.
No X.
Bop, bop.
Sister on my brother. You put that strap up with bomb like Al-Qaeda.
Bumbuckle. Yo. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm out of here, people.